Skipping regular vehicle care can seem like a money saver at first, but it often leads to costly repairs, poor safety, and decreased performance. Routine maintenance is vital to spot tiny concerns early, keep your car running smoothly, and avoid unexpected bills down the line. Number 8. Engine damage. Regular maintenance is essential to the engine's effective performance, especially when it comes to changing the engine oil and replacing important parts like the fuel and air filters. Engine oil reduces heat production and friction by lubricating moving parts. But as engine oil degrades and accumulates impurities like carbon deposits, metal shavings, and dirt, its lubricating power is significantly diminished. In the absence of new oil, the engine's components grind against one another, speeding up wear and resulting in damage like worn bearings, deteriorated piston rings, and scoring on the cylinder walls. Clogged air filters also prevent airflow necessary for good combustion, which makes the engine run rich or lean and increases the risk of misfires and inefficient fuel burning. Fuel filters that are neglected allow impurities to clog fuel injectors, further reducing engine performance and causing hesitation or stalling. These compounded issues strain the engine, causing lower power output, increased fuel consumption, and a louder, rough-running engine. Ultimately, neglecting these basic maintenance tasks can cause catastrophic engine failure, necessitating costly repairs or a complete engine replacement, which can amount to thousands of dollars. Moreover, the engine damage often happens gradually, meaning you may not notice until it's severe, putting you at risk of sudden breakdowns in inconvenient or hazardous situations. Number 7. Brake system failure. The braking system is paramount to your safety, and its proper maintenance is vital to ensure reliable stopping power. Brake pads made of friction material wear out as they press against the brake discs to slow the vehicle. Over time, worn-out pads reduce braking efficiency and produce a grinding noise when metal contacts metal, damaging expensive rotors that can cost hundreds to replace. Brake fluid, which transmits force from your brake pedal to the wheels, naturally absorbs moisture from the air, reducing its boiling point and leading to vapor bubbles in the brake lines. This vapor causes a spongy or soft brake pedal feel, delaying brake response and increasing stopping distance. If ignored, this can culminate in brake failure, a dangerous situation especially during emergency stops. Regular servicing checks pad thickness, rotor condition, and brake fluid level and quality to replace worn parts before failure happens. Skipping these services dramatically increases the risk of accidents and expensive repairs to rebuild or replace parts of the brake system, including calipers, discs, and hydraulic lines. Number 6. Lower fuel efficiency. A well-maintained vehicle burns fuel efficiently, saving you money at the pump. The engine relies on a precise mixture of fuel and air for optimal combustion. Over time, dirty or clogged air filters restrict airflow, causing incomplete combustion and forcing the engine to work harder. Similarly, fuel filters that are neglected allow dirt and debris to block fuel injectors, resulting in uneven spray patterns and poor fuel atomization. This inefficiency leads to increased fuel consumption as the engine compensates for the disrupted air-fuel balance. Additionally, worn spark plugs or ignition components can cause plug misfires, further reducing combustion efficiency and increasing emissions. The result is not only a noticeable drop in miles per gallon (mpg), but also higher emissions of harmful pollutants like hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide. Failed emission tests can lead to fines or the requirement for expensive repairs to emission systems, such as catalytic converters. Paying for additional fuel and potential extra repairs due to skipped servicing can add up quickly, eroding any short-term savings. Number 5. Uneven tire wear and safety risks. Tires are the only contact point between your car and the road, and their condition directly impacts driving safety and fuel economy. Over time, tires naturally degrade, but regular servicing ensures they wear evenly and are inflated to the correct pressure. Incorrect tire pressure, such as underinflation, causes excessive heat buildup and uneven tread wear, increasing the chance of a blowout or puncture. Misaligned wheels cause the tires to wear unevenly, which affects vehicle stability and control. Additionally, uneven wear forces you to replace tires prematurely, an expensive recurring cost. Properly inflated and aligned tires decrease rolling resistance, improving fuel efficiency, and giving you safer and smoother rides. Skipping these simple checks can lead to tire degradation, safety hazards, and avoidable expense. Number 4, warranty voiding. Most new vehicles come with manufacturer warranties covering repairs for specific components or time periods, providing financial protection for owners. However, these warranties almost universally require that your vehicle undergo scheduled servicing by authorized dealers or certified mechanics with records kept. Missing or delaying these services or choosing unapproved workshops may void your warranty coverage. This leaves you liable for the full cost of repairs that would otherwise be covered under warranty, such as costly engine or transmission fixes. Furthermore, warranty voiding can also affect resale value, as buyers prefer vehicles with a full maintenance history and valid warranty coverage. Some insurance policies may also require proof of proper maintenance to honor claims, so skipping service can lead to denied claims and higher out-of-pocket expenses following accidents or failures. Number 3, MOT failure and legal issues. In many countries, vehicles must pass rigorous roadworthiness inspections such as the MOT, which tests numerous safety and environmental standards including emissions, brakes, lights, steering, suspension, and exhaust systems. Regular servicing ensures these components are properly maintained, making a pass and inspection more likely. Driving without a valid MOT can result in fines, penalty points on your license, or vehicle impoundment. Worse, if you're involved in an accident without a valid MOT, you could face increased liability or insurance refusal. Moreover, regular service keeps your vehicle compliant with emissions standards, helping reduce environmental impact and avoiding legal penalties related to pollution regulations. Number 2, costly breakdowns and repairs. Preventative maintenance anticipates and addresses potential mechanical failures early, saving you from sudden, unexpected breakdowns. For example, changing essential fluids like coolant and transmission fluid, replacing worn belts and hoses before they snap, and checking battery health can prevent major malfunctions. Additionally, breakdowns inconvenience your schedule and may cause missed work or appointments, increasing indirect costs. Over time, the cumulative effect of skipping maintenance shortens your vehicle's lifespan and reduces its reliability, potentially forcing you to purchase a replacement vehicle sooner than expected. Number 1, safety device malfunctions. Modern vehicles incorporate sophisticated safety systems like airbags, seat belts, anti-lock braking systems, ABS, traction control, and electronic stability programs, ESP. For example, a defective airbag may fail to deploy or deploy incorrectly, increasing the severity of injuries. Similarly, faulty seatbelts may not restrain occupants adequately. Furthermore, safety system failures can lead to denial of insurance claims or increased liability in the event of an accident. Ensuring these safety devices are checked and maintained during regular servicing is essential for maximizing occupant protection. Overall, regular servicing prevents minor problems from becoming major costly repairs, keeps your car safer and more efficient, preserves warranties, and avoids inconvenient breakdowns or MOT failures. Neglecting it as a cost-saving measure often ends up costing much more in the long run. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.